How to earn big-selling ebooks. Once upon a time, I embarked on a thrilling journey into the realm of making money online by selling digital books on Google. It all started with a simple idea: the possibility of earning more than $100 a day just by selling books on Google search. At first, I couldn't help but feel skeptical about such a claim. It sounded too good to be true. But as I delved deeper into the concept, I discovered that not only was this opportunity real, but it was also incredibly accessible. The gateway to this exciting venture was the Google Books Partner Center, a platform that offered everyday people like you and me the chance to sell our digital books directly through Google. What made this opportunity even more enticing was the fact that it didn't require any prior experience in the literary world or professional writing credentials. It was a level playing field, a chance for anyone with a passion for writing and a desire to make money online to potentially earn a substantial income from anywhere in the world. With curiosity piqued and excitement bubbling within me, I set out to explore the possibilities that lay ahead. My first step was to visit the Google Books Partner Center website, where I was greeted with a wealth of information and resources to kickstart my journey. The site promised access to a vast audience spanning 75 countries, encompassing over 3 billion users, an audience that seemed almost unfathomable in its magnitude. Just the thought of having such an expansive audience at my fingertips filled me with a sense of awe and anticipation. But having access to a massive audience was just the beginning. The real magic happened when I discovered AI Writer Pro, a powerful tool that would soon become my trusted ally in the world of ebook creation. With AI Writer Pro, I could generate content quickly and efficiently on trending topics that I knew would resonate with my audience. It was like having a virtual writing assistant by my side, helping me bring my ideas to life with ease. Of course, I didn't embark on this journey alone. Along the way, I sought guidance from experts who had already paved the way to success in the world of ebook publishing. From detailed guides to a plethora of PLR ebooks, these resources provided invaluable insights and strategies to help me navigate the challenges ahead. Armed with knowledge and determination, I was ready to take the next step on my journey. Publishing my first ebook on Google Books turned out to be surprisingly straightforward. With the guidance of the Partner Center, I navigated through the process with ease, choosing my publisher type and uploading my ebook file in PDF format. And with a few simple clicks, my ebook was live and available for the world to discover. As my journey unfolded, I encountered valuable lessons and insights that would shape my approach to selling ebooks online. One of the most important lessons I learned was the importance of staying updated with the latest trends. By keeping my finger on the pulse of what was popular, I could tailor my ebook content to match the interests and preferences of my audience. This strategic alignment not only made my ebooks more appealing but also significantly boosted my earnings. But perhaps the most valuable lesson of all was the importance of patience. Despite creating over 100 ebooks, I eventually hit a roadblock. The challenge wasn't in the creation process itself, but rather in finding ways to make my ebooks visible and enticing to potential buyers. It was a humbling realization, one that taught me that success in the digital marketplace isn't just about creating great content. It's also about effectively marketing and promoting that content to the right audience. Armed with this newfound understanding, I dove headfirst into learning the intricacies of marketing and promotion. It was a daunting task, to be sure, but one that ultimately paid off in dividends. Through trial and error, I discovered new strategies and tactics for getting my ebooks noticed, from social media marketing to email campaigns and everything in between. And with each new success, my confidence grew, propelling me further along the path to success. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the invaluable support of AI Writer Pro. This revolutionary tool not only simplified the ebook creation process, but also empowered me to explore new topics and ideas without fear or hesitation. With AI Writer Pro by my side, I was able to produce more content in less time, allowing me to focus on what I loved most, connecting with my audience and sharing my knowledge with the world. In the end, my journey into the world of selling ebooks on Google was nothing short of transformative. What started as a simple idea soon blossomed into a thriving business, thanks to the power of technology, determination, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. And while the road may have been long and challenging at times, the rewards were more than worth it. So if you're ready to embark on your own journey into the world of ebook publishing, I urge you to take that first step. Who knows what amazing adventures await you on the other side? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.